Everyone tells you procrastination is the enemy. Teachers say it, parents say it, productivity gurus say it. But what if I told you that procrastination isn't always bad? In fact, if you use it the right way, delaying something can actually make you win? Here's the truth. Procrastination becomes a problem when you avoid tasks endlessly. But there's another kind of procrastination called active procrastination. That's when you delay one thing, but you use that delay to do something else that's productive or creative. Think about it. Maybe you don't feel like starting that assignment right now. Instead of wasting time scrolling on your phone, you could clean your desk, take a walk, brainstorm ideas, or even tackle a smaller task on your list. By the time you circle back, your brain feels fresher, and often you have better ideas. That's not failure, it's strategy. Even some of history's greatest minds did this. Leonardo da Vinci took years to complete the Mona Lisa, not because he was lazy, but because stepping away gave him new perspectives. Procrastination gave him space to think deeply. Here's how you can use this trick. The next time you catch yourself delaying, ask, am I avoiding this because I'm scared or because I need space to prepare my mind? If it's fear, push through. But if it's space, use that time to do something that still pushes you forward. So yes, procrastination can destroy your goals if you let it control you. But if you learn to procrastinate smarter, using delay as fuel instead of an excuse, you'll realize it can be one of your most powerful tools. Sometimes waiting a little is exactly what helps you win big.